Good morning, candidates. This is regarding CTDI magazine, latest magazine for the purpose of interview, how it can be made use of. That is what I'm going to tell you. Now, let me try to ascertain that one and then give you a link for that. Give you a link for that later on. These pictures, PC, then I will have to go to October, then CTDI, November magazine. So, okay, so this is there in October. So let me go through this and give you a suggestion that I am going to share. I'm going to share what this banking and finance, contemporary banking and finance. This is latest magazine which I would like to share with you. Which I would like to share with you. Here, Reserve Bank of India, what are the important points I may like to tell you from the angle of your interview. First thing is positive attitude. A man's favorite donkey falls into a deep precipice. He cannot pull it out, but no matter how hard he tried, he therefore decides to bury it alive. Soil is poured onto monkey from above. The donkey feels the load, shakes it off and steps on it. More soil is poured. It shakes it off again and again and steps up. The more the load was poured, the higher it rose. By noon, the donkey was grazing in green pastures. After much shaking off problems and stepping up, learning from them, one will grace the green pastures. So I wish all of you success in your efforts. Now, what are the other things I may like to share with you? For example, how can I increase its size, enlarge its size? Yeah, the most important thing is about Gati Shakti Master Plan. The Prime Minister launched PM Gati Shakti, rupees 100 crore National Master Plan for multimodal connectivity, essentially a digital platform to bring 16 ministries, including railways and roadways, together for integrated planning and coordinated implementation of infrastructure connected projects. Kindly go through this. I will share this. I will share this magazine. You can share, read it, further points. I'm not going through all that in detail. Next one is prompt corrective action, a revised framework. What is that? Please go through that. Mostly they may not ask in Federal Bank. Mostly they may not ask in Federal Bank, but still you just go through that. Then next is there is one handout regarding non-resident Indian. It may be of relevance for Federal Bank. Kindly go through this. Who can open non-resident account and all that. But slightly detailed, you have to go through that. Opening of current accounts, banks to follow discipline by observing all the KYC norms. Yeah, this is one important point. Then next one is about gold monetization scheme. Gold monetization scheme. So minimum deposit at any one time shall be raw gold bars, coins, jewelry, excluding stones, equivalent to 30 grams of gold of 995 fineness. Gold will be accepted at the collection of purity testing centers, certified Bureau of Indian Standards. Type of deposit, the designated banks will accept gold deposits under short-term 1 to 3 years, bank deposit STBD, as well as medium 5 to 7 years. Interest on deposits in the scheme will start accruing from the date of conversion of gold deposited into tradable gold bars after refinement, or 30 days after receipt of gold at the CPTC or the bank's designated branch. Okay. So this is about the gold deposit scheme. Please go through that. A fixed rate of 2.5% is applicable on the scheme. 2.5%. Okay. Next one, what I'm going to tell you, some of the important points. Please note down. One, the new chairman of IBA. This is useful for, say, IBPS clerks exams also, PO exam also. New chairman of IBA, Atul Kumar Goyal, Chief Executive Officer of UCO Bank. Baldev Prakash is Jammu and Kashmir MD and CEO. Chairman of Association of Mutual Funds, Bala Subramaniam has been elected as Chairman of Association of Mutual Funds in India. RBI grants license to NARCL, Assets Reconstruction Company. The approval has been accorded under Section 3 of SURFACE Act. Indian Bank picks up stake in NARCL. Indian Bank has picked up 13.27% stake in the proposed bad bank, National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. Earlier, 3 state-owned lenders, SBI, Union Bank of India, and Punjab National Bank had picked up over 12% stake in NARCL. BOB World. Bank of Baroda launched BOB World, state-of-the-art feature-rich mobile banking application. This app brings 190 plus services of banking worldwide, from simple balance inquiry to cordless withdrawal facility. Moody's affirms ratings of 9 Indian banks. Moody's credit rating agency has affirmed long-term local and foreign currency deposit ratings of Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, and Union Bank of India. Visa launches India's first card-on-file tokenization service for merchants. India Post Payments Bank teams up with HDFC for offering home loans. A rise in bad loans to 8 to 9% of lending. CRISIL. Invest India elected as president of Geneva-based WAIPA. RBI eases current account rules. As per RBI guidelines for borrowers, where the exposure of banking system is less than rupees 5 crore, there is no restriction on opening of current accounts or on provision of CC or OD facility by banks, subject to obtaining undertaking from such borrowers that they shall inform the banks as and when the credit facilities availed by them from the banking system reaches rupees 5 crore or more. RBI increases IMPS limit to rupees 5 lakhs, from 2 lakhs raised to 5 lakhs. Punjab National Bank launches 6S campaign. Swabhiman, Samruddhi, Sampark, Shikar, Shankalp, and Swagat. Mukesh Ambani tops Forbes India Rich List 2021. Kotak Mahindra Bank gets approval for collection of direct and indirect taxes. Bharat Pay launches buy now, pay later platform Postpay. Kotak Mahindra Bank launches micro ATMs, ClickPay, digital payment platform PhonePe, as in association with the NPCL Bharat Bill Pay Limited launched ClickPay, a unique payment link that enables customers to make recurring online bill payments and removes the need to remember tedious account details. Next, some of the important points. ACC approves appointments of EDs. The government approved appointment of 7 executive directors at various public sector banks. Please go through the details. Gross NPAs of banks may decline to 6.9% by March 2022. Bank credit to grow at 7.5% to 8% for the financial year 22. 5 foreign investors shortlisted for majority stake in Yes Bank backed asset reconstruction company. National Asset Reconstruction Company is expected to witness transfer of the first batch of toxic assets worth about 90,000 crore by January 2022. Mudra loan scheme for micro enterprises nears 100% disbursal rate. Banks process nearly 2 million e-mandates for auto payment after RBI order. Banks sanctioned 11,168 crore under credit outreach initiative. So other things you can see from the magazine. I'm just giving you the magazine. Please go through that. Yeah, thank you. I'm just covering the important questions. Even here you may get what is consumer price index. RBI is using consumer price index inflation for policy making. A bank enters into a contract for selling third-party products and earns commission for the services. Bank will face operational risk. Expand IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. Expand APEDA, Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. Full form of NUUP, National Unified USSD Platform. Loans to individuals for educational purpose, India and abroad, under priority sector 20 lakhs. Loans to farmers against pledge or hypothecation of agriculture produce under priority sector is rupees 50 lakh for a period of 12 months. A rearing or farming of fresh water, that is known as aquaculture. What is the limitation period of execution of decree? This you may not know. It is 12 years from the date of decree. Banker-customer relationship in the case of standing instruction. Banker is an agent, customer is principal. An import license is valid for a period of 24 months. RBI has deferred the implementation of net stable funding ratio to October 1, 2021. Expand SQL in the context of digital banking, structured query language. SURFACE proceeding in a consortium advance if 60% of creditors value agree. How much of inward remittance can be credited to EEFC account, export earners foreign currency account? 100%. In case of special crossing, banker gets protection under Section 134 of Negotiable Instruments Act. Who is the regulator for imports of goods and services in India? DGFT, Directorate General of Foreign Trade. What is noting? Getting dishonored bill of exchange noted from notary. Protection is available to collecting banker under which act? Section 131 of NI Act. If you want to believe me, please believe me, this question is in vogue for promotion exams and interviews right from 1970, more than 50 years. Yeah, latest general knowledge. Government of India has appointed KV Kamath as chairperson of National Bank for Financing, Infrastructure and Development, NAFID. I'm reading important questions only. RBI has approved the appointment of Pradeep Kumar Panja as chairman of Karnataka Bank Limited. Actor Rajinikanth was honored with the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Prime Minister of India inaugurated PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan of rupees 100 lakh crore, which aims to provide multimodal connectivity to economic zones in country. Ministry of Micro and Medium Enterprises has launched a e-national awareness program to promote program Sambhav. Goa became first state to achieve open defecation free. The center has appointed former Supreme Court Justice Ashok Bhushan as the new chairperson of National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, NCLAT. Mrs. Padmaja Chandru, who was previously chairman of Indian Bank, has been appointed as managing director and chief executive officer of National Securities Depositories Limited. Next, on the occasion of the World Teachers' Day, 5th October, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization launched its 2021 State of the Education Report for India, No Teacher, No Class. PNB has launched 6S campaign, Swabhiman, Samruddhi, Sampark, Shikhar, Sankalp and Swagat. Dr. G. Satish Reddy, Secretary DDR&D and Chairman of DRDO, has been conferred prestigious Aryabhatta Award. RBI has granted a banking license to Unity Small Finance Bank Limited, which has been established jointly by the Centrum Financial Services and Resilient Innovations to carry on a small finance bank business in India. Hospitality firm Orevel Stays Limited has appointed Deepa Malik, an Indian athlete and a silver medalist at the 2016 Paralympic Games, as an independent director. Now, these are the important rates, key rates. Bank rate 4.25%, CRR 4%, repo rate 4%, reverse repo 3.35%, MSF 4.25%, then WALR, I don't know what it is, 9.10%, Forex reserve $620 billion, then SCB, Scheduled Commercial Bank total deposits, total credit deposit ratio 68.93. I am sharing this magazine in our Telegram page and also WhatsApp. Please try to make use of this. Thank you.